All right, Unit 7, Lesson 28 notes. So we're going to do in this one confidence intervals for means. So in the previous section, we based it off of proportions. Now we're going to do this off of means. So the first page of notes here does some explaining of what type of interval we're going to use. We're going to use a t-interval is what it's called. You can read through on all of that stuff. I'm just going to show you how to use it. If you have questions on where it comes from, I'd be happy to go through that with you. All right, so the calculator part, same spot, stat, tests, except now we're not going to go down as far here. We're going to use number 8, which is a t-interval. All right, there's two different things with a t-interval. I can give you a list of numbers, which we would put under L1, and then you would click the data side. Or I can give you the statistics that go along with some, and then you would use this one. All right, so if I give you the stats, which is what I'm going to do here on the first one, you have to be given three things. You got to have the mean, you have to have the standard deviation, and what your sample size is. Then on top of that, I have to tell you what the confidence is. I guess you need four things, what your confidence level will be. All right, so let me show you how this works. 10 randomly selected automobiles were stopped and the tread depth of the right front tire is measured. So mean is 0.32. Standard deviation 0.08. Excuse me. Sample size, it was 10. Confidence level 95%. So I want to come up with a confidence interval for the mean depth of the front right tires. So stats 0.32 for the mean. Make sure you put the right number in the right spot. The standard deviation was 0.08. Sample size is 10. Confidence level 0.95. Calculate. Okay. These are regular old numbers. These are not percentages. Okay, we are not dealing with a percent here. I know it looks like a percent, but this one is not a percent. So 0.263 to 0.377. Oops. 0.263 to 0.377. Okay, this time we are estimating the mean, not a proportion. Okay, so the interpretation of this would be I am 95% confident the true mean tread depth is between 0.263 and 0.377 inches. All right, so what if I give you a list of numbers? So for a list of numbers, stat, edit, if you get anything in L1 or L2, clear that out. Okay, let's type in the numbers. Under L1, you're not going to put anything in L2, so I guess you don't have to clear L2, you could leave it, but again, make sure you type all the numbers in right. Okay, once you got the numbers in, stat, tests, number 8, go over to data, make sure that says L1, frequency leave as 1, confidence level given the problem at 99%. Calculate. All right, so 4785, 9297.9. So 4785 less than mu less than 9297.9. 9297.9. Okay, so the interpretation, I'm not going to write it out, I'm just going to say it so you can get the idea. I am 99% confident the true mean number of home fires started by candles is between 4,785 and 9,298. Can't really have 0.9 of a house. I guess if it burns down, you could. Okay. Same idea with these here. So this one, survey of 30 adults. So let's see here. We got X bar, standard deviation, sample size, confidence level. So 30 adults. Mean of their age of their primary vehicle is 5.6 years. Standard deviation is 0.8. 99% confidence. Stat tests 8. This time do the stat side. 5.6. Oops, what did I do there? Sorry. Stat tests number 8. Go back down here. Okay. 5.6. 0.8. 30. 0.99. Okay, 5.2 to 6.0. So I'm 99% confident that true population mean of the age, true mean age of a person's primary vehicle is going to be between 5.2 and 6 years. Okay. All right, so that's, and then this one here, type in the list and hit the numbers again. This one will turn out to be, I'll have this one open. So in this last one, I don't even have that in here. I'm not sure if that's on your notes. In any case, you type it in just like the other one here and come up with your interval on that using the stat side again. All right, that is lesson number 28. Let me know if you have any questions.